For this activity, we're going to be working on strengthening some of the muscles in the foot. This exercise is known as toe yoga or piano keys. We will need to be barefoot and we want to be on a sturdy surface. The goal here is to separate the movement between the big toes and the little toes. This can be challenging, but don't let it be frustrating. We want to start by lifting our big toe and lowering down, and then lifting the other toes and lowering down. The goal here is to separate the movement between the big toes and the little toes. If this is challenging, what you can do is assist whichever area you struggle with and then hold until you're able to control the position. This can also be done with the small toes, where you would press into the floor with your big toe, help your little toes, and then as you're ready, lower back down. And by practicing separation and control, you should eventually be able to isolate one over the other. Perform this exercise based on the recommendations given to you by your provider.